Here is your video review for the test tomorrow in U.S. history. Terms that you need to know include Friedman, Andrew Johnson, Rutherford B. Hayes, Ulysses S. Grant, Black Codes, Radical, Civil Rights, Ku Klux Klan, Carpetbagger, and Scallywag. Other terms you need to know are sharecropping, Morehouse, tenant farmer, Samuel Tilden, Booker T. Washington, NAACP, W.E.B. Du Bois, Homer Plessy, Jim Crow, and lynching. You need to know which amendment ended slavery. That's the 13th. Which amendment said that anyone born in the United States is a citizen. That's the 14th. And which amendment said that everybody could vote regardless of race. That's the 15th. You need to know why President Johnson was so bad at being president and why Reconstruction under him was such a disaster. You need to know about the radical Reconstruction. Well, was when the Republicans were trying to, or Democrats were trying to punish, Republicans were trying to punish the South, send in the army to control the South, force them to do things they didn't want to. You need to know what the Civil Rights Act was, and basically it was trying to give black people the same rights as white people. You need to know what a veto is, and you don't need to know how many congressmen it takes to overturn it, but you know what percentage, which is 2/3. You know what the KKK was and what kind of things they did. You need to know what Grant was like as a president. You need to know how and why did Rutherford B. Hayes' election end Reconstruction. You need to know about the sharecropping system and what happened during that. You need to know about the Tuskegee Institute. That was on that worksheet we did yesterday, things that they were taught. You need to know about Plessy versus Ferguson and basically the fact that it legalized segregation in the United States. You need to know where the name Jim Crow laws come from and give me an example of a Jim Crow law. You need to know what lynching was. You need to be able to tell me what the grandfather clause was. You need to be able to tell me about the you need to be able to tell me about the black test to vote if you were black that we went over today in class and what that was like. And if you study all those, you'll be fine on the test tomorrow.